Hey, it's Speaker 1. If your hairline has been showing you attitude lately, I've got a simple, science-friendly home remedy that can help. 2 powerful seed oils. Zero fluff. Let's go. First up, fenugreek seeds. These tiny legends are rich in proteins, a compound called trigonelline. They stimulate hair follicles, reduce shedding, support faster hair growth. With consistent use, thicker strands, shinier strands, stronger from root to tip. Next, black seeds. Nigella sativa, black cumin, loaded with thymoquinone, packed with antioxidants, fight scalp stress, help stop hair fall, support regrowth in thinning areas, reverse daily hair damage, soothe an irritated scalp, may slow premature graying. Here's the step-by-step you can actually do today. Add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds to a clean, dry grinder. Add 2 tablespoons of black seeds. Blend into a fine powder. Aim for smooth. No gritty chunks. Take 1 tablespoon of the seed powder. Add to 1/4 cup coconut oil. Room temp or slightly warm is perfect. Mix well and cover. Let it infuse in a warm spot for 2 to 3 weeks. Shake the jar every couple of days. Shortcut. Gentle warm infusion. Place sealed jar in a warm water bath for 30-45 minutes. Then let it sit for at least 48 hours. Not as strong as 2 weeks, but a good start. How to use it. Strain the oil to remove powder. Part your hair and apply oil to the scalp. Massage with fingertips for 3 to 5 minutes. Small circles, light pressure. This boosts circulation and helps actives reach follicles. Leave on 30 minutes or overnight if tolerated. Shampoo and rinse as usual. Use 2 to 3 times a week for at least 8 weeks. Snap a before photo today. Check in at week 4 and week 8. Consistency beats intensity. Pro tips. If prone to buildup, double cleanse with a gentle shampoo. Fine hair. Keep oil on the scalp, go light on lengths. Add a few drops of rosemary or peppermint essential oil, optional. Remember, hair cycles take time. You're feeding the roots now for results you'll see later. Keep it simple. Keep it consistent. Let the seeds do their thing. If this helped, save it. Share it with someone who's shedding. I'll see you in the next one.